Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a simple way how you can add Facebook reviews to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Facebook reviews. So let's go sign up for free. Now we want to sign with the Gmail, Facebook or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here you will be in applications, and you just want to write in search Facebook. And you're going to see here Facebook reviews. So let's create a widget. Now you want to choose really which one you actually want, grid, slider, or even just the reviews widget. I'm going with the reviews widget. Continue with the template. Now you can simply change the widget title, filters, like only positive for all reviews, exclude by name. I recommend also changing the number of reviews displayed, like to 4. Then you can change the layout, grid or just list, review style, that you can just remove Facebook or offer name or date. Really play around it as much as you want, and then go to the right corner, save. When you have it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic Pro or Enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Now just click plus, right here code, and paste the code here, and apply. And voila, here we got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. What you can do also, guys, is when you have it like centered like this, you can find a way how you can add like carousel. Let me show you. You can add spacer, yeah, like this, and to center it to the middle, right? So this is what you can do actually, if you want to, of course, and play around it. Or you can click plus here, add a section, and really find a way how you can center it to the middle. But it's like you can center it straight away, but you can play around it. So yeah, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. You know how it goes, you know how it works. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.